welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have my friend Jaymi with me.
Hi.
We are doing a really fun DIY. So Jaymi was the one that had this great idea of bejewelling and adding fringe to this jacket that she got.
Yeah, I found this jacket for really cheap at Urban Planet, and I needed an outfit for the Taylor Swift concert, and so I immediately texted Lindsay and asked if she thought it was a cute jacket, and so then the next day she ended up buying one too.
Oh hell yeah.
So here we are.
Here we are, and
she's been influenced.
I've been influenced this time. Roles reversed. So I have no outfit to wear this to, or
you have no event.
I have no event or occasion to wear this to, but I was so inspired. I had to buy the same jacket because it's so cute and it's a look. So
hot girls don't let hot girls bejewel alone.
No,
it's just the rule.
Hell no, absolutely not. So we're gonna show you how we're gonna DIY this, and hopefully this inspires you guys to DIY something as well.
Definitely run to your local Ratchet Urban
and pick up this jacket. We'll do like more of a reveal later. Oh yeah.
Okay, well I don't know. I've got mine here. So
yeah.
I already put the cardboard in it because I'm ready to like bejewel it on a hard surface. But yeah, that's like a step one, is make sure you got
step
some cardboard.
I didn't even think about that. Oh. When popcorn.
So that's
do a close up. Oh my god. Influencing.
I love Costco.
Hell yeah, we love Costco in this household. Okay, so we just finished painting the outline. Actually, Jaymi had a brilliant idea to use acrylic paint instead of a pencil.
Yeah, because the pencil wasn't showing up and we had to push really deep and you don't want to wreck the jacket.
Yeah, like I feel like if we pushed any harder, it almost would have like pierced through.
Definitely.
So Jaymi's so crafty.
I just have like a box of acrylic paint sitting around waiting for me to use.
Exactly. So I'll show you guys what we have outlined. So as you can see, I have outlined cherries, which Jaymi gave me such a good idea of putting on the jacket.
It's gonna look so cute with the fringe. I'm so excited to see it.
And the common theme is just Jaymi is full of brilliant ideas.
That's why I have a creative job. Yeah, and then for mine, my inspiration was the scene. I don't know if you have any like Swifties in your audience.
Well, we're gonna bring over Swifties.
We're gonna generate some Swifties in this video. But I'm doing the Lover house on the back of my jacket. So if you don't know, in one of Taylor Swift's music videos for her song Lover. So in her music video Lover, at the end of the music video, there's this house, and each album or each room is a different color, and each color represents one of her albums. And since she's going on an Eras tour, referencing each of her eras, each of her albums, I just thought it was a really cute scene to put on the back of my jacket.
Literally brilliant. Where are you going again?
I'm going to 2 shows. I'm going to
huge Swiftie over here.
I'm so lucky. I got tickets for really cheap. I'm going to Minneapolis on June 23rd, and then I'm going to Seattle on July 23rd. So I've got 2 concerts.
As if they're both on the 23rd.
I know, and you know what's crazy? Is that I'm going to Seattle. Like, that concert is on the 3-year anniversary of her Folklore drop.
Holy shit.
I hope that she I hope that she plays, for one of her surprise songs, I hope that she plays something really good from Folklore. Like, I'm so excited.
I'm excited for you.
Yeah.
Jaymi has turned me into a slight Swiftie. I'm not totally there yet, but I enjoy all of this, and I'm gonna live vicariously through you there.
The lore is what's the best part. Yeah. The lore is the best. We just love to gossip about her and Carla Floss. That's just about it.
Exactly, yeah. Or if you don't know of any of like the blind items and stuff, highly recommend you start looking into that, because there's so much like hot goss and tea.
Tons of goss, tons of tea.
Yeah.
I spent more time off camera working on it.
Yes. Cute.
So cute.
Hey guys, we are back. I didn't say that we stopped last time, but we had to take a break. Well, I needed a break mostly because my neck was like really hurting, but Jaymi kept going.
I powered through.
Yeah,
I powered through. I actually went many more hours longer than Lindsay, and so the back of my jacket is nearly done, but fear not, there's still more Taylor Swift DIY stuff to come, so.
Hell yeah.
I'll be busy.
I'll like insert here what Jaymi did. It looks phenomenal. Like, Taylor better recognize you, honestly.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed. Maybe the Taylor Nation, who knows, but.
Maybe. Oh, well, you need some recognition.
Some.
But hey, you have the vlogs.
So true. This means you get the recognition.
Yeah.
Bring the recognition to Lindsay.
Bring our connection to you. So yeah, we are going to hopefully finish our jackets today. Fingers crossed.
The Coke Zero and the coffee is so iconic. So next time we're going to be putting this stuff on.
Yes, how exciting. Oh, that's such a cute frame. Okay, so we're taking a break for now and we're gonna pick up next week, but I think we made really good progress.
Yeah, I was really dialed in the whole time.
Yeah, we were dialed. We were doing like all the small gems. Jaymi inspired me.
Laser focus.
Yeah.
Laser focus. We found a really good method. Here's the trick. Put the glue down on your jacket and then put the gems on. Don't individually glue the gems. That's just too much time. Just put the glue down in a line and then place your gems.
Yeah, it was a very good tip and saved us massive amounts of time.
The bong in the back?
Oh. Oh my god, that's actually so funny.
Incriminating.
Oh my god, I just noticed that. Well, we're obviously cool, but yeah, we're gonna pick back up next week, so we'll check back then. Round three. Here's the setup for today. This will be like a last homage to your home too.
So true. Love it in here.
little update. I'm almost done my jeweling.
Not me though.
Nope, still going.
Still going. Oh my god, you look so good. Ah, you look so good, Lindsay. Oh my god, you look so good.
Slay.
Oh my god.
Slay. Oh my god.
Are you kidding me right now?
That's too much. Pause up! Pause up! You're under arrest! You're under arrest, Jenny!
For being too cute!
Oh my god! Slay queen! Hey guys, I realized that I never made an outro for this with Jaymi. Once we finished wrapping up the jackets, it was like midnight on a Friday and I was just so tired. I went straight home. And then as I'm editing this, I realized I did not film an outro. So my apologies, but I wanted to come on here and just say I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. This one, more importantly, is so special to me because I filmed it with one of my best friends. She just moved to Ottawa, so I won't be seeing her as much anymore. So this was a really nice project for us to hang out a lot, have some fun, and make me a Taylor Swift fan. I also don't DIY a lot, so this was so much fun to get into, and it has inspired me to start new projects. I'm moving out with my boyfriend in a few months, so I'm going to be doing lots more DIY stuff. So I think that will be fun to add to this channel. I also put so much heart and soul into editing it. I recently got Epidemic Sound as well, so I can add really cool music to my videos now. And I think just overall, they're gonna be so much more vibey, like the one you just watched. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with a friend. I hope you all have a great week. Bye.